Welcome to the comprehensive settings guide for FxMath Aurum ML Copier Slave version 2.00 for MetaTrader 5. Let's begin with the server connection parameters. Setting number 1 is IMP server URL, which defaults to https://copier.fxmath.net. Leave this as default unless you run a private Copier server. Setting number 2 is IMP license key, which is strictly required. Without a valid license key retrieved from fxmath.net or at FxMath on Telegram, the EA will refuse to initialize. Setting number 3 is InpSymbol. Leaving this empty tells the EA to trade whatever chart symbol it is attached to. Finally, setting number 4 is InpCopyTfs. Set to all by default, this allows you to filter incoming signals by time frame. For example, copying only H1 signals or specifying multiple comma-separated time frames like H1, M15, and D1. Setting number 5 is InpExec mode, which offers two options, exec_hard and exec_stlth. Under hard mode, stop loss and take profit levels are placed directly on your broker server for maximum reliability. Under stlth mode, positions open without broker SL/TP levels, and the EA manages exits internally to hide targets from your broker. Setting number 6 is InpSLTPSRC, allowing you to choose whether stop levels are taken directly from the master signal, calculated dynamically via ATR, or set as fixed pips. Settings 7 through 11 allow you to tune your ATR period, defaulting to 14, with an SL multiplier of 1.0 and TP multiplier of 2.0, or set fixed stops such as 50 pips SL and 100 pips TP. Now let's review position sizing. Setting number 12 is IMP lot size, defaulting to 0.01 micro lot. This is used whenever risk-based sizing is disabled. Setting number 14 is IMP risk percent. When set above 0, for example, 1.0 for 1% risk per trade, it automatically calculates your lot size based on account balance and stop-loss distance, overriding fixed lots. Finally, setting number 13 is IMP max lot size, defaulting to 1.0. This acts as a hard safety cap, ensuring the EA never exceeds your absolute maximum lot allocation regardless of risk calculations. Settings 15 through 19 control execution speed and signal validation. Setting 15 is IMP poll interval, defaulting to 1 second for fast execution. Setting 16 is IMP slippage, set to 30 points or 3 pips. Setting 17 is IMP max delay SEC, defaulting to 20 seconds. This acts as a stale signal filter. If your terminal loses power or internet and reconnects later, old signals older than 20 seconds are skipped. Setting 18 is IMP max price diff, which skips trades if your market price has moved too far from the master's entry price. Finally, setting 19 is IMP min confidence, allowing you to copy only signals that meet a minimum machine learning confidence score. Settings 20 through 24 manage time windows and account identifiers. Setting 20 is IMP hours filter. Leaving it blank copies trades 24 hours a day, or you can enter ranges like 7, 8 to 10, or 15 to restrict trading to liquidity sessions. Setting 21 is IMP use GM time, which ensures hours use GMT time regardless of broker time zones. Setting 22 is IMP follow mode. When true, if a new signal arrives for a time frame where you already have an open trade, the EA closes the old trade first, ensuring strictly one active trade per time frame. Finally, IMP magic number isolates orders, while IMP account label sends a custom nickname to your server reporting panel. How are signals processed under the hood? Every polling cycle, incoming master signals pass through an 8-stage filtering pipeline. First, the EA checks time frame and trading hours filters. Next, it validates machine learning confidence scores and verifies signal age. Then, it compares market prices to prevent slippage. If all checks pass, position sizing is calculated, and the order is opened. Additionally, every open and close event is reported back to our central server via encrypted API calls, while rendering a real-time HUD monitoring panel on your chart. Ready to start copying institutional machine learning signals directly into your MetaTrader terminal? Secure your license for FxMath Aurum ML today. We offer flexible plans to fit your capital goals, including monthly at $69, quarterly at $119, semi-annual at $199, annual at $299, or our best value lifetime access for $499. Check out instantly using credit card, Google Pay, or crypto. Visit pay.fxmath.net or explore our main documentation portal at fxmath.net/docs.html today.